Welcome back to All Day Alma American English. Hey, this is when the Bronx meets Texas. I want to thank my neighbor once again, my mystery lady behind the scenes, because this is her apron. Okay, so this is an apron, and yes, we are in Texas, y'all. So we say y'all in Texas, but in New York, we say you, just the plural you. And my neighbor, she's from Minnesota, and she says, you guys. But we are here in Texas, and it's a really beautiful, friendly place. And I'm gonna take you around. You just keep watching my videos. You're gonna be amazed at what I'm gonna show you right in my neighborhood. We're back in my neighbor's kitchen. I wanna thank her again. You're gonna meet her soon, okay? This is a dish strainer right over here. And this is a cookie jar. This over here is a paper towel holder. And this is a utensil rack or utensil holder, cooking utensil holder. This is our vent-a-hood, what we turn on when we need light or we need to vent the steam and vapor from our cooking so that it doesn't affect our walls, because the vapor and the steam eventually can make our walls very dirty behind our stove, and we don't want that because that's extra cleaning and not good for the nails. Okay, so this is salt and pepper shakers. Salt and pepper shakers, not maracas. Salt and pepper shakers. And then we have another jar here where you can keep stuff that you don't want laying around in the counter. Americans are very neat in their kitchens, usually. Okay, not me. I like to keep all of my stuff out, all of my seasonings and all my stuff. That's why I'm doing this video from my neighbor's kitchen. These are door handles, cupboard door handles, or cabinet door handles. Sometimes you may have knobs. If they're round, they're knobs, like over here. These are knobs. K-N-O-B-S. These are handles. So knobs refers to anything which is circular, okay? Kind of got that feel to it. And again, these are drawers, cabinet drawers, or cupboard drawers. What else can we point out? Magnets, refrigerator magnets. And if we segue over here, I'm going to point out some pots and pans for you and the different names for them. This is a pan because we can actually do some frying here. This is also a pan, frying pan. This could be a frying pan, or do you bake in this actually? A baking dish?
You can do all of it.
See, I'm asking my neighbor, baking dish, because you can actually do all of it. That's her in the background, helping me out. And this is our beautiful little dog who has to be in the film. He loves the action. He's a star.
That's Scooty.
Scooty!
Yeah.
Scooty, and you know what scoot means? Scoot means this. Scoot, 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 scoot. Scooty, you like to scoot? He likes to scoot. We're gonna scoot, Scooty. You know, you gotta have a Puerto Rican dancing in the kitchen, otherwise it's not a Puerto Rican household. We're gonna turn my Texas neighbor into a Puerto Rican over here. Play some salsa in her kitchen. She loves it. She loves it. And then we got over here a pot. This is a pot. This is where we boil stuff. So pot, call this a saucepan nor a frying pan. It's a cooking pot. And then this is just a medium. This one over here is a medium-sized pan. And what else? This is our beautiful pot and pan ceiling rack. I would just call it a rack.
That's right.
R-A-C-K. It's just a rack.
Hanging rack.
It's a hanging rack. See, sometimes we need help. You're not the only one. You're not alone. We all need help. Sometimes we're out of pocket with, what do you call that thing again? It's that thing. That works. You can just call it that thing over there. Because sometimes we forget. Like in the dishwasher, we have dish racks. This is where we place our dishes. We have a rack. R-A-C-K, just like that, hanging rack. So a rack usually is anything which is open and has sections like this, usually like a wire rack. Okay, rack. So don't feel bad. Really, don't feel bad if you can't think of the name for anything. It happens to all of us. Hey, I didn't grow up having all of these appliances in our kitchen. A lot of people don't. It depends on what city you live in, and it depends on just where you are at the moment. Some households are ultra modern, state-of-the-art kitchens, and some are not. But we all like what comes out of there. Make it delicious, make it healthy, enjoy it, and I'll see you next time in All Day Alma.